boy, you know you need to come give me that dick. He wanna hit from the back cause I'm thick. I like to fuck on him when I get lit. Yeah, tell me this pussy is shit. Ayy, oh, he's so thirsty. Ride that dick like a horse. See, he said, are you tired?
Hello, my pretties, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Okay, So, everybody's been asking me for like an updated brow tutorial, even though my brows haven't really like changed that much. So as y'all see, we're jumping right in. I already have my makeup done. Basically, I didn't really use any foundation today. It's just some concealer, some blush, and some highlight, some lip liner, and the Fenty lipstick or whatever. So yeah, how's everybody been? I hope everybody's been good and enjoying this summer. As I said before, we're gonna jump right in. So I'm gonna take my double-sided brush. One side is a spoolie, and the other side is a angled brush. Okay, so I'm just really like, I don't know. Sometimes I change my brow color, which I think is what everybody has been noticing lately. So I'm just going to go in with a lighter brown shade than I normally do. And I'm going to just, instead of starting at the front, I'm going to start about like right there. And I'm just going to start filling the brow in how I want my brow to be. Sorry if y'all hear like a lawnmower or something. Like the lawnmower outside is going, so I don't really know what to tell y'all if y'all hear it. But so yeah, I normally just start at the bottom and I just draw my brow shape the way I want it to. Then I go in with my spoolie and I just brush that forward so that I don't get like a harsh line, but it's also not disconnected. Like, cause I've seen some people like start where I started, but then they don't brush it in, so you can see like the line right here, and then like the rest, and then this is just there, and it looks strange. But if you take your spoolie and you just go ahead and brush that in, then bada boom, bada bang, bada bit, bada boop, and a bobbly boop. So that's that. Then you just go up top, and you can like even see where I need to fill it in. Like, I have little holes in my brows right here, so that's where I'm gonna fill it in mostly. Like where I'm gonna start, because that's where I need the most pigment at. And then just keep following that brow and how you want it to be. Now, like, I will say, if you can see, like, this brow is kind of rounded. I need my brows done really bad, but this brow is kind of rounded, and this brow is kind of like very much so arched. And then again, we're gonna go in with the spoolie and just brush that forward. And then to go in at the very end of my brow with a darker brown, because I feel like it just boom. After I've done that, I'm gonna go ahead and take my concealer, and I'm gonna just start to kind of draw there where I want to start, like, drawing my brow out, and then I just start dragging this forward. And now that I'm thinking about it, let me, like, re-say this. I know that somebody is gonna, like, think, oh, she's, like, re-recording a brow tutorial. She already has a brow tutorial, but like literally people have been asking me a lot for this, and I have already told them that I have a brow tutorial. But back by popular demand, I'm gonna go ahead and do another one. Especially since I think like some things have changed as far as my brows go. So all right. So now that that's pretty much done, before I like fill in the top or before I clean out the top, I'm actually just gonna go ahead and take just like a random brown shade and just blend this out right here so that it's not just like a line of concealer. It's been like a really long time since I've done a video, and I'm really sorry about it. It's just like life just be happening, y'all, and it's crazy because like really this is what I want to do. Like I really want a YouTube channel, and I really want to like teach people things, and not only to teach people but to learn things from other people, through way of comment, through other YouTube videos, through other YouTubers, like collabing and stuff. Like, I don't know. It's definitely things that I want to do. And I really just have to take the time out and be consistent and focus on this because I can't be letting the small stuff get in the way. But here I am. So now I'm just going to clean off the top. Boom. And then you're just gonna blend that out. And then like, if I mess anything up, I just go back in with my brush, with my angled brush, and I'll just like touch it up to make it a little more sharp. And then just brush it out. Not that, not so right there. And bada bing, bada boom, blibbity bloop, and blobbity boop. You can so see the difference. So this is the brow done. This is the brow not done. What is this? I got lipstick on my freaking face. That Fenty lipstick, like this is the first one that I got, and girl, let me tell you, it's messy. I like it though, but it's definitely messy. You can see it like still around my lips, but it's whatever. So yeah, so I'll be back in just a moment with my other brow done. So we got both brows on, and I did just want to say, like, in this video, I also want to test something out in this video. So I don't really know even, like, maybe I want to start a new, like, something, you know, where I do it, like, every week. I'm gonna be more consistent. So I know as soon as I just said that, y'all were like, girl, you don't even post every week now. But girl, I'm trying. So it's just like, maybe I'll try something new every week. However, this is going to be something from my Ipsy bag, which I will be doing like this month's Ipsy bag. That video will probably be up before this video, since I am doing this in this video. But either way, they'll be out around the same time. I was really waiting for a new intro, if I'm being honest. Like, I really wanted a new intro for my videos, and girl, child, she was taking forever to make my damn intro, but it's okay because we got it done. Let me know if y'all like her. The intro, not the person who made it, because I don't. But we'll get to that later. So, I'm taking this is what I'm testing out. I'm testing out the Studio Makeup High Define Brow Tint. And this is in the color something. It doesn't tell me the color, which is strange. Does it tell me the... Oh, dark. Yeah, it does tell me the color. So it's in the color dark. This is what it looks like, the tube. And then the little spoolie looks like this. So that's that. And I'm just going to go ahead and run this through my brows. Well, to be honest with you, like, I'm kind of liking it. I kind of like how I can move my individual brow hairs with it, and I like how it doesn't come out too much, so I can still, like, play around with it. Does that make sense? I like that. That's cute. So to just finish off my brows, what I always do, and this is just not a step I'm willing to skip in anything. Like, I do this on my... Anyway, we'll get to that. We'll get to that later. But, I'm just going to go in with my highlighter. This is from the Nikki Tutorials Highlighting Trio. And I'm going to go in with this most bronze color right here. And that is the color Glow Goals. And I'm just going to pop this under the brow, because I just feel like that gives the brow a, like, finished, like, just a finished pop. And then in the same thing on the other side. Boom, bow, pow, toot, toot. Boom, bow, pow, toot, toot. All right. And then that is my brows. That is my brows, 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 brows. Yes. But anyway, so yeah, that's my brows. I hope you all liked them. If there's anything that y'all feel like I skipped, or y'all feel like y'all aren't comfortable on and want more help, let me know. Also, I am doing, like, online makeup classes. I will text you a list of makeup, that you need, different makeup. You can send me pictures of makeup, like, ideas that you're wanting, and we can do a step-by-step tutorial on that. That can either be on Zoom or on, like, FaceTime. Or, like, in person if you would like to and are in the Atlanta area. What else do I have to say before this video ends? Stay golden, pony boy. Stay true to yourself. Keep it pretty, and keep it pretty. Yes. So I hope you all have a wonderful day. And again, don't forget to keep it pretty.